Welcome back to Osaka, the food capital of Japan. We are today in the Fukushima ward, which is famous for many restaurants and bars. Today we're gonna try another delicious Japanese meal. I will add the address in the description for those interested. This restaurant also uses a vending machine at the entrance to choose your meal. This time we try skimen. It literally means dipping noodles. Skimen is a noodle ramen dish in the Japanese cuisine, consisting of separate servings of noodles and soup or broth. Hereby, the noodles are dipped in the soup. Soba and udon are some of the noodles used in the dish. The noodles are typically served cold, while the soup is typically served hot, which serves to season and moisten the noodles. The soup serves as a dipping sauce and is typically much stronger and intense in flavor compared to standard ramen broth. Dashi, the soup in Japanese cuisine, can be used, which is prepared using a soup base or stock that is also named dashi. Some restaurants add hot water to dilute the soup at the end of the meal, decreasing its strength and making it more palatable as a soup to finish the meal. In this restaurant, you can even get a yaki-ishi, a cooking stone, to reheat the soup stock. Now lean back and enjoy this view of Japanese food. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of Japan.